look like bonsai trees. And Ivan is calling this the friends of his. This is the main bird. The king of the birds of this park is this big guy. And he is the king of the world. And he symbolizes our country. So do you see the message? United States of America
Is watching you.
is on top of the world, watching everyone, and don't mess up with us.
That is
Look
correct.
at his face. That's what his expression conveys. Don't mess up with me. I own the world.
All right. By the way, this looks like a summertime here.
No, it's it just rainwater. It's very beautiful here when it's warmer. It has blue lights and the water. Come here. Come here. This is a better angle. And all this background.
That's the picture. That's the frame. All right. America, 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 America.
And his pose commands respect, as my daughter likes to say.
And dominance.
Respect, dominance, and
Authority.
yeah. It's just beautiful. Okay, that's it.
We are like about 35 minutes vlogging.
Yeah, it was a nice 35 minutes spent with you, my love.
Ты очень хороший, красивый.
Хорошо. Уже все
Очень
блог.
красивый, famous ежик, alright? Famous ежик, tell them to subscribe, okay?
Subscribe and like our videos. You can also share them.
And you have to smile to subscribe.
Okay, subscribe.
Alright.